where the bunny's left and rights are the same as they would be for me. Axial includes the head, neck, and trunk. The neck is axial to the chest. Appendicular consists of appendages or limbs. The fingers in this case are appendicular to the elbow. Superior is towards the head, meaning the ears are superior to the nose. Inferior means that the limbs are away from the head. For example, the neck is inferior to the eyes. Anterior means towards the front of the body, meaning the stomach is anterior to the spine. Then posterior is towards the back of the body, such as the tailbone being posterior to the breastbone. Medial means towards the midline, such as the belly button being medial to the foot. Lateral is away from the midline, such as the mouth being lateral to the arm. Proximal means towards the body's attachment point, such as the elbow is to the forehead. However, distal means farther away from the attachment point, such as the hip is to the hands. Superficial is towards the surface of the skin, like the skin to the stuffing. Deep is away from the surface, just like the heart is deep to the fur. Next, we have the body cavities. The dorsal body cavity protects the nervous system and includes the brain and the spinal cord on the side of the body. The cranial cavity protects the brain and contains it within the cranium, also known as the skull. Next, the vertebral cavity contains the spinal cord and the nerves that run inside of it. Both the cranial-vertebral cavities are a part of the dorsal body cavity. The ventral body cavity contains the thoracic and abdominopelvic cavities, which keep the body's internal organs safe. The thoracic cavity specifically holds the heart and the lungs, which are protected by the rib bones, while the abdominopelvic cavity contains the digestive tract as well as reproductive organs and the bladder. This cavity is in the lower.
Next, we have planes, which are different ways the body can be cut for things like an amputation or a dissection. The first plane is called the sagittal plane, which is where a doctor or surgeon makes a cut on the body, like with an arm amputation. Then we have the mid-sagittal plane, which divides the body into left and right halves going down the midline. Next, we have the frontal plane, which divides the body into front and back parts. Finally, we have the transverse plane, which divides the body into top and bottom halves at the waist. Next are the abdominal quadrants. There are 4: right upper, right lower, and left lower. The quadrants divide the stomach horizontally and vertically at the belly button. What's important to remember is that the quadrant is labeled based on the subject's left and right. Next are the regions of the abdomen. Now imagine the abdomen is a grid of 9 squares, with the belly button in the center square. On the top, right to left, we have the right hypochondriac region, the epigastric region, which you can remember by thinking epi means over or above, and the left hypochondriac region. In the middle row, same order, we have the right lumbar region, the umbilical region. You can remember that because the belly button comes from the umbilical cord, and we have the left lumbar region. Lumbar means lower back. In the bottom row, we have the right iliac region, the hypogastric region. Remember, hypo means below, and the left iliac region.